today. We're gonna ride the rail to my doctor's appointment. It comes in 7 minutes. There. So we should get on over there so we can sit in the front. Yeah. You wanna do that?
Right to go Kalihi. I know. That'll be years from now though.
I know. Look at the view of the Waianae Mountains. Yeah, and then cross to go over. Who would have thought that I actually said it? I hated the rail, that I wouldn't ride it, yet I'm riding it.
Yeah, to your doctor's.
I know.
That's fine.
I know. I don't know what that joke is, but
The funniest joke in the universe.
Ako done at the appointment. Good morning, you beautiful people. First, I'm on my way to work, but look at this sky. It's kind of gray, but my bus isn't here yet, so I'm on my way to work. And after work, I'm gonna meet up with my mom and Logan, and we're gonna go to What the Truck at Waikele. So that should be fun. I already showed you guys What the Truck is before. If I haven't, you guys will see it tonight. Let me go, and then I'll edit this vlog at some point. Oh, hello there. I got off the bus, and I don't know why, but I am dealing with so much anxiety. It's crazy lately. It literally is crazy. I think the last time I didn't have anxiety was when we went to Ala Moana on the 4th of July. So yeah, usually I know why I'm having anxiety, but this time I don't know why. I really don't know why. Oh, and by the way, quick interruption. If you are on Threads, the new app Threads, I'm on there. So, but I really don't know why I'm having so much anxiety lately. I really don't know. I really don't know.
Oh, lucky you did lettuce. Oh, yeah, that's the lettuce that I'm good.
Okay. Because my leg muscles all tight. Let's go look at What the Truck. I know, you already went. 30 what? Is the 94 block. Oh, fruit apple and you want. Logan, they get Pokeball. I know.
I never realized that's what follow Logan.
I'm hungry. Oh, you just gonna hold my hand?
I was, but
Hold my hand, confront it. Let's go look over here. I know. That's for leftover. What? No, not enough for. I like with something to let people know where it come from. I'll go look over here. Do you know which one you want to get? The spicy?
The spiciest the one they have.
I want food, not dessert. Oh, dessert though, like full on sugar, you can tell. Because you know after a while when you drink too much water, you melt like something different. Oh, that's the people that had the dessert that one time you gave me.
Food so sweet.
I know.
Everything they look.
You just said over there. Over there could be anywhere. For me, also. Still looking to eat. I don't know what I want to eat. Wanted to get pasta, but they're not ready yet. I was so hungry I didn't show you guys my plate, but I got it from that truck behind me. It was called the Town and Country. It was really good. 2 really long shrimps. Oh, it was so good. I didn't realize how hungry I was.
I like it though.
I know.
Earlier I saw him, he was just smiling, sitting down.
Yeah, he cruising in his wagon.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat that. I went to the
There's only one bathroom. Yeah, I'm the line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No. No, we should go look at the bakery down there.
I get Logan one out of bottle water from home in my bag. But I was thinking of getting him one. What is it? 99 cents.
Yeah.
I forgot how to. Oh, thanks.